Hello everyone and welcome to the Heartbeat Meditation. Before we will start, please do not listen or watch this video while you are operating any machinery or driving a car. Make this meditation part of your daily routine. Your heart will be happily serve you for a long time. I will guide you into the peaceful space of your heart. Just follow my voice. Once you be in relaxing state, you'll be listening to the recorded heartbeat. Do not worry if your thoughts will appear in your mind. Just observe them and let them go, and concentrate on the sound of the heartbeat. At the end of the session, you will hear my voice again. I will gently guide you back. You will feel relaxed, recharged, and your heart will be thankful. Let's begin. Comfortably place yourself on the armchair, sofa, or bed, wherever you can safely relax your body. Closing your eyes helps to pay attention to my words and to the sound of the heartbeat. Place your hand on your heart and try to feel the beats. With every breath in, think I'm breathing in, relax. With every breath out, think I'm releasing stress. Take a deep, slow breath in. I'm breathing in, relax. And slowly breathe out. I'm releasing stress. Deep, slow breath in. I'm breathing in, relax. And slowly breath out. I'm releasing stress. Take a deep, slow breath in. I'm breathing in, relax. And slowly breathe out. I'm releasing stress. Breathe normally and listen to the sound of your heartbeat. Relax your body. Scan every part of your body with your mind. From the top of your head, relax muscles on your face, on your forehead, cheeks, and muscles around your lips. Breathe normally and listen to the sound of the heartbeat. Relax muscles on your neck, shoulders. There is no tension. Your chest is gently moving up and down. Your hand on your heart feels your heartbeat and gently moves in the rhythm of your breathing. Your other arm is relaxing comfortably on your tummy. Your tummy is soft and the core muscles are relaxed. Your back is fully supported. Your spine stretching down rests comfortably. Scan your hips, resting on support, down to your thighs. All muscles are relaxed and flabby. Your knees and calves are loosened. Ankles and feet are resting on support. Your whole body is relaxed, safe, and stable. Breathe normally and listen to the sound of the heartbeat. Any thoughts in your mind, let them pass and return your focus to your heartbeat and the sound of the heartbeat. Breathe normally and listen to the rhythmic beats pumping blood with oxygen. The oxygen is delivered to every single cell in your body. Your heart pumps all vitamins, minerals to heal your body. Every beat pumps goods to your brain. With every beat, your heart is saying, stay calm, stay calm, stay calm. You are safe, you are alive. Listen to it. With every beat, your heart is saying, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for your good care of me. Listen to it. With every beat, your heart is saying, love you, love you, love you. With every beat, your heart is saying, stay calm, thank you, love you. Remember the beat of your heart. Stay calm, thank you, love you. Your heart is talking to you, to your senses. Now, you thank your heart for its service. I will slowly guide you from the heartbeat space, counting backwards from 10 to 1 to bring you to the end of this meditation. 10, 9, 8. You feel your heart beating under your hand. That's great. 7, 6, 5. Feel your relaxed body. You might need to stretch your body. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. Feel recharged and ready for the rest of your routine that cares for your heart. I hope you enjoyed the heartbeat meditation. And remember, stay calm. Thank you. Love you. See you soon.